What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it is Tuesday, May 24th, 2022, and I just finished watching NYPreppers video regarding this upcoming hurricane season. So, NOAA just released their forecast of this upcoming hurricane season for the Atlantic for 2022, and they have a high confidence at 65% that it's going to be above average. There's 25 for the average and 10% for the below average. So we're entering a triple La Nina, and that favors more hurricanes to make landfall on the eastern seaboard. And being in a triple La Nina, that's very serious, because we could be seeing a lot of hurricanes, especially making landfall on the east coast of the United States and the Gulf of Mexico. And the La Nina could also bring in a harsh winter, and we could be seeing more Arctic air and more blizzards in the US, and we could see over here more nor'easters or bomb cyclones that could produce a lot of snowfall for us and a lot of hurricane strength winds. So for NOAA's forecast, they have 14 to 21 named storms, 6 to 10 hurricanes, and they're also favoring 3 to 6 major hurricanes. So if you guys live along the East Coast or the Gulf of Mexico, you need to be on high alert, like right now, like get whatever you need, because like what NYPreppers said, what are you gonna do when a hurricane is making landfall on your area? And do not rely on your generator working. You need a light source, an air source. If you lose power from the hurricane and all of a sudden it's like 95 degrees out, yeah, you're gonna need a plug for your air conditioner. You need some type of air source. So this triple La Nina is very serious, guys. A La Nina favors the Atlantic Basin for hurricane development. So you guys need to be on high alert for this stuff. And we could be seeing a lot of hurricanes this year, and major hurricanes, or even stronger. So I will be doing a lot of updates on hurricanes too. I will be helping New York Prepper update on these tropical systems for you guys. Yeah, I will be doing updates just like he's doing updates. But if a hurricane is coming for my area, I don't know if I should update or not, because I will be locking and loading for a landfalling hurricane if another one happens to reach Long Island. And like I said, La Nina's favor landfalling hurricanes on the eastern seaboard. And once again, La Ninas also favor harsh winters, where we can be seeing a lot of snowstorms and cold air. So get whatever you need now. You guys need to get cracking on these preparations for hurricane season, because it's really gonna be busy this year. In my opinion, I also have a feeling they might surpass 21 names and open up another list once all the names are used. That's just my opinion. Even the Colorado State University in the UK Met Office put out their forecast for the hurricanes. And Colorado seems to be on the higher end with forecasting this stuff right now. And about Long Island and New England getting hurricanes. I know we normally don't get hurricanes on an annual basis, but don't think you guys are safe from hurricanes, because do you remember what happened with Irene, Sandy, Philippe, Isaias, Henri, Ida, and Wanda? Do you remember all those hurricanes we had? That shows that there's no way in heck the Northeast is safe from hurricanes. You remember all these hurricanes, guys? I'm sure you guys do remember them. So there's no way you guys are safe from hurricanes if you live on Long Island or New England, because remember what those hurricanes did to our area? It caused a lot of damage for us. So don't think just because you live in Long Island or New England you're safe from hurricanes. No, you're not safe from hurricanes. There's no way you guys are safe from hurricanes. There's a lot of people out there living a fantasy that they are safe when they're generally not. I mean, you guys saw what Henri did to you guys last year, and Ida, which were the remnants of Ida. I mean, even the remnants of a hurricane could cause a lot of damage. I mean, New York City and Philadelphia were underwater for a few days after Ida's remnant struck the area. And they also brought a lot of tornadoes into New Jersey last year after wrecking Louisiana. I even heard that the Gulf of Mexico is going to be very bad. So, especially you guys need to be on high alert. I mean, there was a disturbance the other day in the Gulf, but now there are two disturbances in the Eastern Pacific, like right now. So, once again, if you guys live on the Eastern Seaboard, you guys need to get cracking on these preparations, like right now. And don't think just because you live in Long Island or New England, you're safe when you're not safe from hurricanes. I mean, if you live near the ocean, you guys are exposed to that stuff. I mean, don't we usually get nor'easters or bomb cyclones or blizzards? I mean, have you guys forgotten that stuff? I mean, if we're exposed to nor'easters, then we're exposed to hurricanes. It's simple common sense. And we can also be, and for living near the shoreline, we're also exposed to tsunamis. Yeah. So NOAA is forecasting another above average hurricane season, and they have high confidence on it being above average. So for more information, go to NYPreppers channel because he's gonna be updating on the tropics too, like I am. And I guess that's it. Bye. I will be keeping an eye on the tropics for you guys. I will be making updates alongside him. So I guess that's it. Bye.